Feeling drained, stuck, or disconnected lately? Here are 3 powerful ways to reignite your energy starting right now. First, take 3 slow, conscious breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Feel your body soften with each breath. This simple reset reconnects you to the present moment. Next, move your body. Whether it's a walk or a dance or stretching in silence, movement helps release stagnant emotions and reignites your inner spark. Finally, immerse yourself in healing energy. Spend time in nature, meditate, or join a space where your soul can recharge and expand. If your soul's ready to reignite, join us this March at the Bring the Spark Back into Your Life retreat. 3 days of healing, movement, and transformation in the Redwoods. By the way, my name is Jenny Umali. I'm a Reiki Master Teacher, I'm a life coach, and I'm a manifesting coach. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance.